Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is chapter number 15, Structure of Atoms and Nuclei. This is the energy level diagram for hydrogen atom. That is the different series in hydrogen spectrum. In this diagram we can see 5 different series. They are the Lamon series, which lies in ultraviolet region, Balmer series, which lies in visible region, Paschen series, which lies in infrared region, Brackett series, it also lies in infrared region, Pfund series, same, it lies in infrared region. As you know that in the excited state, the atom is unstable. So the electron jumps from lower orbit to higher orbit, and this state is called as the excited state. This electron comes back to the original position or the ground state. When the electron jumps from excited state or the higher orbit to the lower orbit, these are the higher orbits. When the electron jump from higher orbit to lower orbit, either in a single jump or in the multiple jumps, this excited electron give rise to these spectral lines. These vertical lines in the diagram indicates the jumping of electron from higher orbit to lower orbit. Here we are seeing the first series, that is the Lamon series. This series lies in the ultraviolet region. When the electron jumps from second, third, fourth, fifth orbit to the first orbit, then the group of lines are obtained. These group of lines is called as Lamon series. Here the lower orbit is always n is equals to 1 for Lamon series, and the higher orbits are 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. We can find the wavelength of first line. Here for this first line n is equals to 1 and m, that is the higher orbit, m is equals to 2. Then for the second line m is equals to 3. Now for the third line n is equals to 1 and m is equals to 4. Now for the fourth line n is equals to 1 and m is equals to 5, and so on. Thus you can find the longest wavelength and the shortest wavelength of Lamon series. For the longest wavelength of Lamon series, n is equals to 1 and m is equals to 2. Now for the shortest wavelength of Lamon series, n is equals to 1 and m is equals to infinity. Now the next one is the Balmer series. This series lies in the visible region. When the electron jumps from third, fourth, fifth, sixth and so on orbits to the second orbit, then the group of lines obtained is called as the Balmer series. In this series, the lower orbit is n is equals to 2, and for the higher orbits m, that is m is equals to 3, 4, 5 and so on. For the first line of Balmer series, n is equals to 2 and m is equals to 3. For the second line of Balmer series, n is equals to 2 and m is equals to 4. And for the third line of Balmer series, n is equals to 2 and m is equals to 5, and so on. Thus you can find the longest and the shortest wavelength for Balmer series. For the longest wavelength of Balmer series, n is equals to 2 and m is equals to 3. And for the shortest wavelength of Balmer series, n is equals to 2 and m is equals to infinity. This series lies in the infrared region, and when the electron jumps from the higher orbit, that is m is equals to 4, 5, 6 up to infinity, to the lower orbit, that is n is equals to 3, we get the vertical lines. These lines are called as Paschen series. And here also you can find the wavelength for first line, second line, third line, same as that of Balmer series. But for the Paschen series, n is equals to 3. The longest wavelength for the Paschen series, for that n is equals to 3 and m is equals to 4. Now the bracket series. When the electron jumps from higher orbit, that is orbit number 5, 6, 7 and so on, to the lower orbit, that is n is equals to 4, you will get the vertical lines of a series called as bracket series. This series lies in the infrared region. Now the last series, that is the Pfund series, when the electron jump from the higher orbits, that is orbit number 6, 7, 8 up to infinity, to the lower orbit, that is orbit number 5, that is n is equals to 5, you will get a vertical lines of series called as the Pfund series. This series also lies in the infrared region. Thus, you can find the wavelengths of different series of different spectral lines of hydrogen atom. You can also find the shortest and the longest wavelength of different 5 series. The example for the first 2 lines wavelength of Lamon series is shown in lecture number 10. You can get the link from my description box. Please have a look at it. Thanks for watching. Please have a look in my description box for lecture number 10.